Hey guys, it's Layla. Welcome back to the channel, and today I have a super cute, cutesy, fun tutorial for you guys. Usually when I put my hair in these kind of super cute little hairstyles, people end up saying to me, tutorial please, and I don't usually have one. So yeah, today I thought I would do one. I actually have my social paint night event tonight, so you know, we have kind of like a theme every time we have the event, and this time we're going for kind of like a 90s vibe. So I wanted something 90s but also kind of like currently on trend with the little accessory thingy-mabobbies, and I've got 2 bantu knots and like 2 braids and a braid like dangling at the back with some beads on it. It's really random looking hairstyle, but it works. Do you know what I'm saying? It works. So I hope you guys enjoyed the tutorial. This video is sponsored by Revlon Realistic and their Black Seed range. If you haven't seen my initial review, do check it out right here. I shall link it. If you're new to my channel, be sure to subscribe. If you like the video or the tutorial, give it a thumbs up. If you like my earrings, they are by Maroon Daughter. She sells these. I bought these, and I also had them custom colored in my Ghana flag. Oh yeah. Alright.
From the Revlon Realistic Black Seed range, today I will be using their styling products, which are not only designed to give you beautiful styling outcomes, but also to impart strength into your styles. So I'm just starting off with some old stretched hair, and I'm going to section the front 2 sections, which will eventually become my 2 braids. Securing one side, I'm just going to create a part from the central part of my head to my ear. So you just want to create an ear-to-ear part on both sides.
Think of the stress that will hit me so strong. I was about to give up and say so long, but God has been gracious, so I sing this.
Using the central quadrants of my hair, I'm just going to create one section, I should say, that I'll be using for my central braid.
Around me, I'm never lonely, hey, man. My God, you're too much. I was hot-tempered, but you gave me cool touch. Now they look at me like this other cool cat. He fights all my battles, I don't have to shoot. My God,
to create my front braids, I'm just applying a little bit of the twisting pudding, and then I'm just going to follow that up with some of the edge control. I want this style to look sleek, but at the same time I don't necessarily want it to have a gelled down kind of firm hold. So throughout the video you'll see me using the edge control in replacement of a gel.
It's like life, that's the only one I know. His ways I can't find them, don't even wanna try. Started from the bottom, now I'm heading to the sky. They said I couldn't make it, the devil is a lie. Now you wonder why I'm still here, Jesus is alive, yeah. He spat in Jay's face, silence the devil put him back.
Once you're done with the first side, you just want to go ahead and repeat the same thing on the opposite side.
It's been so summer, so I was singing praise.
And then I'm just going to take that central part down. I'm going to apply more of the twisting pudding before I go ahead and create a braid where I attach the front 2 sections to that middle section. And yes guys, I know my braids are popping. I get loads of comments about my braids, but they are something that I've had for a long time now, and the older I get, the more I have, so that is why you guys are noticing them more and more. So taking that back section, I'm actually applying the curling custard all over. I'm doing this so that I can have a nice smooth surface without having to use any gel. And then for the perimeters, I'm just applying a little bit more of that edge control, and then I'm going in with my Denman brush. This helps me to get or deposit the product throughout the multiple layers of my hair. I like to follow this up with my brush, which creates a nice smooth finish. I'm just applying a little bit more water before I go in with my twisting pudding, and then I'm going to create just a nice chunky braid. That's all we're going to do. And as I recently cut my hair, my ends are super full at the moment, so I just go in with a little bit more product and then to comb it out with my Denman brush, which then allows me to go ahead and twist down.
been so awesome,
And then you just want to repeat the same thing on the opposite side.
Cause it's been so great to me.
Following the same method of application, once again I am going in with the curling custard to create a smooth surface. I'm following that up with the edge control, my Denman, and then my smoothing ball bristle brush.
My testimony, I bind all the curses, leave blessings on me. The devil can't touch me, defenses on me. Angels around me, I'm never lonely. Hey, man. My God, you're too much. I was hot-tempered, but you gave me cool touch. Now they look at me like this other cool cat. He fights on my battles.
And then you just want to go ahead and create a loose braid. I've mentioned it before, but I do struggle with the concept of braiding loosely. If that is not a problem for you, then you should be fine. But my loose braids are even tight, so I'm just going to go in and fluff them out. And then all you want to do is just create a Bantu knot. If you wrap it correctly, you won't need a bobby pin. I didn't. But if you do need a bobby pin, please go ahead and secure it with one. And pretty much this is it. I'm just going to apply my headscarf and do my makeup, and yeah.
The devil is a lie, now you wonder why I'm still.
So we're all done, and my hair has been sitting for a little while, and as you can see, my Bantu knots were a little bit flat, so I redid them. And then just to bring together my whole 90s look, I'm just going to go ahead and put some swirly whirlies on my edges. Yes guys, you guys are seeing me do some swirly whirlies for the first time ever. But yeah, and then I'm just going to accessorize my hair with some little trinkets that I have. And that's pretty much it, guys. I mean, these little accessories are completely optional. If it's not your style, leave it out. I absolutely love this. I look like a child, which is great. I don't mind. I don't feel like just because I'm about to hit 30, I need to let my age define how I look or what I wear. And I just allow my style to do that. So thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video. Bye.
You always certain me, oh my God, amazing, it's been so awesome,